Setcrete Rapid Set Repair Mortar is a rapid setting, economical and easy to use mortar for repairing damaged or worn concrete surfaces, such as stair treads, beams, lintels, floor screed, or architectural concrete. Application is quick and simple. First, remove any loose material and dust, then wet the area to be repaired by working water into all crevices. Leave to soak in whilst preparing the Rapid Set Repair Mortar. Mix the required quantity with cold, clean water to achieve a thick, smooth consistency. Using 2 float trowels, form the mixed product to the correct shape. Setcrete Rapid Set Repair Mortar is a slump-free mortar and will be self-supporting immediately after application. The initial set time of the repair compound is approximately 30 minutes at 20 degrees centigrade and can accept light foot traffic after this time. Lower temperatures will extend this time. Setcrete Rapid Set Repair Mortar can also be used to repair cracks or holes in floors that do not incorporate an integral damp-proof membrane prior to surface preparation and final finishing.